really would appreciate that you said that about your sister. But Pretzel is a really good cat.
Oh, nice. Alright, so, yo, like I've been saying, a lot of good characters being...
Yeah, Palu versus Wario. I have not seen this in a hot minute.
Oh, definitely.
But right now, Ball's going in with almost 40%. Oh, 50 now. Oh, he's making me just not finish my sentence over here with the pure aggression right now.
Yeah, apparently not. I don't know if this character got nerfed enough, or maybe people are lying. It's not that bad.
Wario mains, you know, they're just devoted to their Batman.
Yeah, they are. I mean, hey, they had Smash Bros. Wario and they still were doing work, so trust
me. And Palu's had Smash Bros. Palu.
Yeah, as well.
Both these characters are having to be much better viable. Right now,
it's really a flying play.
Oh, I thought he was going to drop down back there.
Yeah, I thought so too. Or maybe Dare. Dare's really good at play.
Yeah.
Okay, good go.
Yeah,
gave him that N64 fist of justice right there.
Right? Not a good edge guard from Dare there. Here we go.
Flapping on. Okay. I think the Palutena plays that like keep out game being very patient, but it's just kind of like and obviously Ball is running away with it. There's the Dare I was looking for.
Send it all the way over there, man. Okay, no, anti-dash attack not working. He's just getting through the bullet hell. He said, this is not a bullet hell, man.
Yeah, Ball's having a really easy time just hitting Palu, just trying to go away. He's constantly always trying to back up.
And those auto reticles are not doing well.
Yeah,
Balls are just closing in so good.
Try to give her a high five. I love the spacing.
Yeah.
God, the pressure. It's like, how do I get out of the corner? What do I do? Okay, there you go, back air.
Oh, safe scenario. No two frames down here. Oh.
Yeah, this is looking really rough.
I mean, I would be intimidated too. He started out the game with 60%.
Yeah, seriously.
Good dash attack. Alright, finally closing stock. You know, 96, one stock behind though. Not a good position to be in.
I don't know if it's Dare or Dade, like Dade. Yadi, that's it. Or something like that, but hopefully we can see more confidence out of him. I just don't know it right now.
I was gonna say Dare was being patient there with the approach, but then just went with the dash attack. You like our little transition here?
Oh, that's pretty sick. Yeah, I like that.
And then whenever we're ready, we just switch her right back over to the game.
Nice.
So they get to look at this beautiful green logo.
Palutena. Whoa. Yeah, I love the color.
Jumping right back in.
Let's see. What do we got going in game 2? What
just went
Oh man, that was my round 1. It was quite painful. It was a tough one.
Yeah, I hate this character so much.
I know you do.
But he's such a solid character.
Yeah.
And he's flashy too. You can't beat a flashy and viable character, man.
You gotta respect his options at all times.
Caught the air toss with the F tilt, man.
Okay, but the recovery out of isn't as good as as Wario, so maybe, we'll see.
Dare's doing good with the jump call out from the F tilt here.
Oh my goodness.
That scared me a little bit.
I know. Especially being the higher percent. Visibility doesn't last long. Okay.
Just playing footsies with each other. But yeah, Dare back again with the anti-dash attack. And multi-hit's not working.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Yo, he is just...
Oh, the spear right now.
He's got enough balls on this, man. No wonder why that's his tag.
Yeah, exactly.
I was like, this guy really was going to up smack twice.
Alright, here we go. Wolf combo.
Oh, okay. Went for a second.
If he just waited a little bit. Yeah, this is a little bit bullying.
Yeah, honestly, I can feel it. I can feel the confidence from his fall. Like, honestly. Oh, goodness. Wow, yeah.
He picked a perfect flashy character to try his disrespectful stuff on. And Dare's just not being able to get in.
I know. And unfortunately...
Okay, there we go.
He's like throwing two moves. It's like back air and dash attack. It's like, you know, back is a little more safe, but the dash attack though is kind of getting messed up.
Yeah, very.
Yeah. Very, very laggy. Oh.
Okay, so you take those edge cancels.
Yeah.
Still puts himself in the
Eating
corner
lasers,
though.
yeah. Alright.
Yeah, my favorite breakfast snack. Oh my gosh.
Oh, actually got good one. It's a fist. That's funny. Oh, the dash attack.
Yeah,
okay,
the dash
got away with that one, but it's maximum space.
Yeah.
He was not doing that the entirety of the game.
Okay, good grab. Both keeps on jump recovering, and it's not, you know, there's not catching it, so it keeps being able to do it. We need those jump call-ups from earlier in the game.
Yeah, I think there it's really trying before that, it's really trying to slow it down to see, like, what it's like to do. But right now, it's just, Walls is really running away with it. Oh, no, big bang. Back. No.
Maybe guys, you can try to air dodge in to catch it again.
Yeah.
Just do on these explosive flame, no?
Yeah. I think like every B move that he's used has gotten him kind of like 95%. It's really tough right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was a good counter.
A rare instant of the counter actually doing something.
Yeah, meaty counter.
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh my god, I felt the back air. I felt it. Crazy. I would... Oh, okay. Oh.
I like this.
Okay, nair. Okay.
Oh, the fear.
Wait.
Wait, what?
Oh,
wait, why is he actually playing solid now?
I
Wait,
know, my
this is no longer
up.
this is no longer bullying. Wait, hold
I
on.
know. It's like, hey, it's
oh no.
Oh, God.
Yeah, don't get too antsy with your counters. And it's like, bro, you have so much to watch out for on Wolf Shield. Yeah, too long and they were too hesitant on it.
I was gonna say that earlier. But he had so much percent. His invincibility is just gone.